How to fix Squad Busters verification failed problem. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Squad Busters verification failed problem. The Squad Busters verification failed problem means the game can't confirm your account information. This prevents you from launching the game and joining matches. So to fix Squad Busters verification failed problem, first open the settings on your phone. Scroll down till you see Apps or Applications section, then tap on it. Tap on Manage App. In the search box above, search for Squad Busters, then tap on it to open its app settings. Look for a section called Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on that to view Squad Busters storage options. Look for Clear Data. In the bottom, tap on it, a pop-up might appear. Choose Clear Cache, then tap OK to confirm. Now tap Clear All Data, then tap OK to confirm. Go back and open the Play Store app. Search for Squad Busters. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to the app. Tap it to download and install the update. Finally, restart your device completely. Now locate the Squad Busters app on your device and launch it. Restarting Squad Busters app and clearing its cache and restarting your device will have your Squad Busters working smoothly again. That's all you need to fix Squad Busters verification failed problem. Hopefully, these steps help you fix Squad Busters verification failed problem. And this is how to fix Squad Busters verification failed problem. If you have any questions about Squad Busters verification failed problem, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.